Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable left-handed controls in Honor of Kings. To enable the left-handed controls in Honor of Kings, first of all, launch the Honor of Kings game on your phone. And once you're in the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. After you tap on the gear button, you'll need to tap on the layout option from the left-hand menu. Inside layout, go ahead and choose the left-handed mode inside General Layout Settings. Right after you select that, this will swap joystick and skill buttons for a better left-hand gaming experience. And that's how you enable left-handed controls in Honor of Kings. Smash that like button if it helped, and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.